Hi, this is James in the Plant Food Kitchen, and this morning I was going through when I went to make my smoothie and looking at what I had extra of. I've been doing a lot of dessert recipe development, and so I've got some great fruits. I had some fresh spinach, some incredible basil, and some fresh beets from the farmer's market, and I thought, hey, these are going to come together for an incredible smoothie. So today I'm going to do a strawberry basil smoothie that is an incredible blood tonic. So let's go over these ingredients here. So we've got spinach, which of course is a great source for vitamin K, A, C, some B vitamins, manganese, carotenoids, calcium, potassium. Such a powerful food. Basil, of course, also vitamin K and flavonoids. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. It's actually an inhibitor of non-beneficial bacterial growth. It also has calcium and iron. Love, love, love basil. And of course, beets. And beets are a powerful blood tonic. So I love making them or using them in juice and putting them in smoothies, both. Bananas, of course, are also a great source of potassium, magnesium, B6, and of course this is a green banana that I'm showing you here, and I won't be using that. I had that on here to point out what you want to use is the banana with all those freckles all over it. That's much riper because this is going to have more of the sugars developed and the vitamins, wonderful benefits that are easier to digest, whereas the green one's going to be much higher in starch and can constipate you. So choose your spotty bananas when you're putting them into a smoothie. We're going to put lime juice in there to balance out the sweetness, and of course another great source of vitamin C. Then I'm going to put sprouted oats in here. You can buy sprouted oats now from a company that is making them sprouted. Look for that in your store. I choose to use sprouted always when I can get it. And of course, oats are great for heart health and stabilizing insulin. So those are going to play a great role. And instead of putting a nut milk in, these are going to add a creaminess in the background of the smoothie and some water to blend it all together. So this is really super easy to do. Of course, we want to put our water in first because it's going to make everything blend up easily down by the blades in the Vitamix. And then I'll go ahead and put those oats in there so those can get down in and get blended into the milk. The beets, wonderful blood elixir. All these fresh strawberries. Actually, before I put those in, I'm going to throw the banana in there also. And I like to peel them and just drop them right in there without really touching the meat of the banana because the skin, God knows what's been on that in the store. So strawberries. On these, leave the greens on. Of course I wash these, but they're organic. And those greens, any dark leafy greens are a powerhouse of great nutrients for us. So leave those on there. Just put the entire strawberries right in. I'll put these greens in once I get things moving along here. And let me grab a knife and I'll just open up this lime, and I've already rolled it around to juicing it up so I could get the juice out of there easily. And just poke it with a fork, give it a twist. It's a quick, easy way to get these into your blender. I don't want to dirty up another juicing tool, so just grab a fork and squeeze them in there. If the seeds go in, who cares? They're going to get blended up. So quick, easy way to get juice in there. And now we'll just start up the Vitamix and get this blended. Now, you notice I'm not jumping to high immediately. I'll wait until things get going and a good vortex gets going, so I'm not putting it all over the roof of the Vitamix. Love the color of this smoothie. This is probably the most gorgeous colored smoothie that I make. Look at the color here. It's amazing. And no doubt, this is a blood tonic. So I'm going to put in that spinach, that calcium, and that K, and wonderful stuff that it brings. And basil. And basil is just a really incredible herb to pair with strawberry. I love the two of them together. So I'm going to throw some of that in there. And that's probably about 15 or about 12 large leaves, maybe 15, 18 if they were smaller leaves. These are big-leafed basils that I got here. Blend that down in. If you've got extra beets and you got some strawberries, and any dark leafy green can work for this, I really highly recommend this smoothie. I'll have a recipe for it below, and make sure you hit, of course, like and subscribe if you want to see any number of other incredible smoothies, because I will just randomly be putting them up as I come up with them.